Hey honeys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I look so beautiful if anything. Okay, in today's video we are doing Bantu Dad's hair tutorial, and I've already done their hair, so I'm just gonna take you through how I achieved this hairstyle. And please do stay tuned, watch the video, hope you enjoy it. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you are, thank you so much for subscribing and thank you for coming back. Really do appreciate the support. And without wasting any time, child, let's get into the video. Let's get into the video, guys. Hey babies, welcome to another hair tutorial. Today we are doing bantu knots. I'm so excited. I'm doing these for the first time and I'm doing them on camera. Oh my god, if anything about me, I have the audacity. So I sectioned my hair off camera because the nevers. Oh wow, listen to me. I sectioned my hair off camera because I don't have a mirror where I am recording, so I did it off camera. Just wanted to get clear lines, but they're not that clear. And my hair was stretched overnight and I had to comb my hair because one thing about me, I'm not one to comb my hair. So I combed my hair and I'm just going to apply cream like you've seen in my edges, on my edges, so that they do not break, because there will be a lot of pulling happening. So I just want them to be safe actually. And my hair is already moistured, so I just didn't want to drag the video. And like I mentioned, I want these to be triangles, so I will try my utmost best to get the proper triangles. Okay, so yeah, that's what I will be doing actually. I'm just sectioning into medium size because they're not jumbo. Is it jumbo? Can't be jumbo, it's medium size. And initially I thought I was going to need an extension because I underestimate the length of my hair and its ability to stretch, if anything. So I just decided to do these knots without the braids. So you will see as the video goes. Alright, so after sectioning my hair and getting my desired triangle, what I then do is I begin twisting my hair. It's one strand twist, it's not two strand. So you twist and make sure that your twist is very tight. It is going to start curling at the bottom and then you start wrapping around. If it doesn't curl, you're not twisting enough. So you twist and then you start wrapping around the twist, make sure that you have a very tight knot, because we do not want them loose. If they are loose, 5 minutes down the line they are going to untangle, and we do not want that. And then I'm just going to repeat the same process over and over again. So I'm just going to be doing the front part, the front section in this video, and then the rest of the parts, the back part and the middle part, I will be doing them off camera because I really need a mirror. Because right now I'm just looking at my camera. So that's what I will be doing actually. And yeah, stay tuned and wait for the final result. Even though you saw the final result at the beginning of the video, do stay tuned and see how it turns out.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts. too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.